Pastor Dlamini goes to pay off Mabizela the 100K, but ends up in more trouble than before. Zweleti gets released from prison. Jackson goes into hiding. Esaba yenu Zweleti. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Pastor Dlamini gets home with more bruises. Athi uphilile how. Kwenzenjani baba? Kanti he was fighting with Mabizela again. Athi, but why would you do that? Uhlokolo zinyoka emgodini. Athi, it's because he said he wants to sleep with you to erase the debt. So bengingizayimeka delele unkosikazi wami. Umartha is worried, comes and says kanti ufuna nini uMabizela. She thought maybe ufuna ukayise kanti hayi athi uphilile no ufuna mina. He wants me to sleep with him to raise a debt. Athi maybe I should do it ukuthi asuke emva kwethu. Athi uMartha, don't even think about it. I'm going to give you the 100K. I don't want him anywhere next to untombi kayise. And then abuyeke uphila uMandla amtshele ke uphilile ukuthi hey Umartha gave us the 100K. Athi imali engaka nje, now we'll be indebted to him to her. As no, it's fine baba sibukane nendaba uMabizela. Because Pastor Dlamini was saying that he's very worried about uMabizela. And then he goes over there to pay him off, to give him the 100K. Mafika lapha uMabizela is laying on the floor with blood all over his chest, with a knife on his chest. It's like someone went in there and stabbed him. Pastor Dlamini, being a man of God, goes in there, tries to help Mabizela, thinking maybe he can save him, removes the knives and says, "Good, how Mabizela, what's going on, what's wrong?" Kusenjalo, one of his hitmen comes in thinking, Pastor Dlamini is the one who killed Mabizela. Hey, he's just now got himself into more trouble than before, hey? And then Jackson goes into hiding after Umartha decided, you know what, I think we must run away so that you can be safe because Oko safe Mozweletu here. And then he's in some dodgy house, his safe place. And then Uzweletu got arrested after he pulled a gun on Umartha. Now he's in prison. Now Thandiswa was like, Manje, are you just gonna go back to prison now? You were selling it on Mtwana. No, we just need to make sure that our stories check out. Thandiswa speaks to the captain and the story does check out. And the captain decides, you know what, it's fine. I've checked all evidence and your status check out, so you can go home when Zweleti. I was at Jabla, it's okay, finally he can go home and deal with this into Jackson. Ngapha uMamiki keeps on flaunting this new guy, forgetting that she's pregnant. She's already carrying ingane inside of her, and lies to this guy saying Yena she's still a virgin. Now guy is excited saying that he wants to marry her. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.